I've never been a fan of smoothies, but this isn't about preference or pleasure. It's about priority. I'm no longer chasing meals that simply satisfy my urges. I'm choosing foods that truly meet my nutritional needs. That means starting my day with something lower on the glycemic scale and loaded with nutrients my body requires, even if it's not my favorite. When I wander through the produce section, I rarely know exactly what meals I'll create. I try to allow the seasons to guide me. I reach for fruit that's ripe now and herbs like cilantro and parsley that never fail to catch my eye. These simple selections are my compass, while the packaged aisles are territory I deliberately avoid. Temptation still lingers there though, even something as unassuming as chips. Going raw has not erased old cravings. If anything, it has taught me to coexist, to be in a room, a dinner party, a vending machine, and still keep moving forward without regressing. It's just taught me to end certain relationships with food that once harmed me. Now, I'll be honest, salads have never been my go to. The thought of limp lettuce has always been unappealing to me, so I chose to rethink how I approach them. On this weight loss journey, I found a method that makes salad not only tolerable, but enjoyable as well. Instead of drowning my bowl of salad in dense dressings loaded with nuts and seeds, I now season my greens with spices and herbs. This simple switch infuses flavor without the heaviness, while letting the other ingredients shine. And if you know me, you already know I prefer eating with my hands, ideally outside in the sun. There's something about it that makes it feel more primal and connected. The brain signals the gut before you even take your first bite, and the food genuinely tastes different. Call it intimate, call it experimental, but it transforms a salad into something far more engaging than a soggy pile of lettuce. Stepping beyond the walls of my home to engage with local communities is essential. It frees me from the familiar rooms where food once defined my experience and instead invites motion, fresh perspective, and healthy distractions. In these moments, I cultivate balance and practice restraint, both of which feels as nourishing as any meal could. Every so often I'll pivot, but never away from juice. The recipes may change. Sometimes I'll keep it simple with mono juices, but juicing remains the cornerstone of my health journey. It was the first significant step I took towards transformation, and it's one I stay anchored to. With fall here, what better way to celebrate the season than a vibrant concoction of orange, carrot, ginger, and bell pepper? This recipe is rich in vitamin C to boost immunity, beta carotene to support healthy skin and vision, and ginger to aid digestion and circulation. I haven't made it in a while, so I'm excited to revive some of my favorite fall recipes and let them work their restorative magic once again. Closing out the day with my final meal. Not drink though, since I still have one more fall inspired recipe to share. This is all intentional, so keep watching. For now, I'm keeping it simple with a hemp seed dressing blended with dates and water. Nothing extravagant, just mindful since I'm still tracking calories. This evening's plate is lettuce tacos with cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, shredded carrots, orange peppers, and dehydrated jerk mushrooms with hemp dressing. Truthfully, I crave stuffed mushrooms, but I already had avocado earlier today and I refuse to eat mushrooms without that creamy avocado mash because I love avocado. So simplicity won out. But don't underestimate this though. What it lacks in elaborate prep, it makes up for in flavor. It's quick, satisfying, and realistic for anyone starting out with raw vegan meals. Honestly, you could even throw this together in your car if you have all of the ingredients. Normally, a raw vegan what I eat in a day for me would be stacked with desserts included. But right now, I'm on a weight loss journey, so these meals are cut down with purpose. Now, for my last fall-inspired recipe of the day, what I like to call candy yam juice, is a simple blend of fresh sweet potatoes, dates, cinnamon, and pumpkin spice. Honestly, tossing in a ton of raw pecans would elevate the richness, but since I'm counting my calories, I decided to add in just a little homemade pecan milk instead. And yes, I measured it out. All my fall lovers must try this. A drink that feels indulgent yet nourishing, something I'll definitely be making again and again. Kids love it, and the health perks are hard to ignore. Sweet potatoes support steady energy and eye health, dates provide natural sweetness and fiber, and spices like cinnamon and pumpkin spice bring anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. A seasonal treat that tastes like comfort while still serving your body well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll also include the recipe in the description, and I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye.